my yarny friends. I just wanted to apologize for not being able to do our live video today. The reason is yesterday afternoon I had an accident and I knocked out my right front tooth, which my front teeth are veneers, so it just busted the veneer into a bunch of pieces. And so I didn't have a front tooth on the right side, and it was very painful. So this morning I made an appointment, and a wonderful dentist here in the Yukon area, made a fake tooth to go in. I'm numb from my mouth all the way up to my brain, I think. That's why my lip looks a little weird. But I have a temporary one made, and they're gonna send me out to have a new one done in the right color shades of my teeth, and then probably the 30th of January I'll have a new tooth. But I'm still going to do live videos even with the fake tooth. But I just wanted to let you know what happened. I'm fine, our family's fine. I am in quite a bit of pain, but I'll be fine. And what I'm going to do is tomorrow, I'm going to do a live video on Wednesday instead of on Tuesday, so we can discuss all the things that we were going to discuss. But I just wanted to let you all know that I'm fine, our family's fine, and we're going to get through this. Remember, my word of the year was grateful, and I am grateful for finding a wonderful dentist and office at the last minute. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow for a live video. Coffee and Crochet podcast with Sara, only on Wednesday.